All you biohackers out there, is this guy looking familiar? You may need NAD, you may want NMN, metformins, and all of these, but you definitely need more stem cells. Any type of supplements in the whole world of biohacking, NMN, NAD, supplements for mitochondrial function to protect DNA replication. I mean, there's so many of them out there. If you think about it, they are all aimed at supporting cellular function. Existing cells in a tissue, we want to give them more longevity. But there's a limit to that. Your cells are not immortal in your tissue. They are immortal in your bone marrow. As you release stem cells from the bone marrow, the one thing that you do that is absolutely unique is that you bring new fresh cells to your tissues. These cells will age, but there's nothing better that you can do for any organ and tissue in the body than to bring them new fresh cells. It is rejuvenation of your tissues. And then you can do the other things that will support existing cells.